Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Abu Sufyan. If you're watching this video, you are definitely curious about how to make a face cam in Premiere Pro. So without any further ado, let's get into the screen. Now we are on the Premiere Pro. I have put the recording on the video 1 track and the face cam above the track 1. There are two methods actually to make the face cam. First of all, let's try the method 1. Okay, this is the track, desired track, and this is the recording. So now we are going to do the method 1, and that is by applying mask. Go to opacity and add a mask. Just pull that down by holding shift. Select this top 2 points and bring it out this place. I'll tell you why I'm cutting my head right now. I'll explain it later. Put it, pull these points. Okay, I'm happy with this. Now let's make the scale to 40% and let's move this to left bottom corner. There it is. Also, let's make the feather to 0 from 10 so that we have sharp edges. Now, this is how we make the face cam. As you can see here, it's working as a face cam, but for some reason it's not looking good because obviously I would always put rounded corners around the square box. So I will go here and expand mask expansion. Let's do 5. Now increase a little bit around 70%. This is pretty decent, looks good, so I'll go with this. So now you can do this, you can keep it as it is like this, or you can animate it. This is the place where you need to put the keyframes where the animation will actually begin. I'm hitting the position scale, then mask path, and mask expansion. These are the 4 things that I have changed in this video. So now let's go 10 frames back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's reset it. Reset this and reset this. Okay, let's put the mask feather 0 as usual. And about the mask path, click on this place, click on the mask path so that all the vertices comes out. Then select this, drag down this to pull it up aside. Okay, done. 1/4. Let's play it. So this is how you make the face cam by using the mask tool. That's one way to do it. Let's go to the method 2. The method 2 is actually easier than the method 1. Let's go to the effects and let's add 2 effects. First of all is the crop. Put the crop here, and next effect is, let's make the crop at first. Okay, around this place. a right side crop. I want around this place, and bottom. Skip the up around here. Perfect. So now we need to position it to the lower bottom, left bottom I mean. Scale it down to 40% and click on the position, bring this down here. Okay, now it's not looking good, so we need to put on one more effect, and that is called roughen edges. Roughen edges, let's put that here. Let's put the edge sharpness to 10, fractal influence to 0, and border around 50 or more, 60%. You can add more a little bit if your desired number, whatever you like it. So that's it. That's how you do it. To animate it, we have changed the border here and edge sharpness and crops, bottom, right, top, left, and position. Okay, let's go 10 keyframes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 10, and let's reset it here. Reset this, reset, and border. Let's reset this, That's it. If you play it, that's how you do it. And you can do one more thing, like you can click on easy is, so that the animation doesn't look linear, looks natural. Easy in and easy in. That's how you do it, the face cam. And obviously nobody likes to apply these effects again and again, so why don't you make a shortcut? Just click on the effects that you have applied right here. I'm selecting the crop effects, I mean the keyframes, sorry, not the effects. I'm selecting all of them and the scale. Select all of them and save as preset. Let's name it Facecam effect and anchor it to point in. Okay, and we saved it. Facecam effect, that's the one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is how I make the Facecam in a Premiere Pro. And if you think this video helped you in some way, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. And if you think it didn't help you, then you are always free to criticize. So catch you guys in the next one.